Hello all, welcome to the JavaScript for Pentesters course on Pentester Academy. In this video, we will look at the solution to task 8 using event listeners. So let's jump right in. Now this was an example from an XSS perspective which we've looked at in the XSS challenges. You can solve this with basically an on mouse over event listener, right, to trigger the XSS. Now, in this specific JavaScript based challenge, we would like you to pop the password inside the alert box when the user submits the form. So let's do this. Now, I'll give you some example. When you click on sign in, you could put in, let's say, admin, and this pretty much gets reflected back, as you can clearly see. Now let's actually do the on mouse over. You can actually do an alert 1, and every single thing, it's always a good practice to do a URL encode, copy this out, and there you go, right? The on mouse over has been triggered. Now what we can actually do is, of course, we did the simplistic alert 1, but why not write out the entire code to latch on to the submit event of the form here itself. So let's do that. So I'm going to write document.form0. There's only one form on submit, and then let's go ahead and write out the entire function. Say it's a demo function. Close this in here, and var pass equals document form 0. This is the second element, so it becomes elements 1 dot value, and then we pop this inside the alert box. Right, looks okay. Let me copy this out. I go into my encoder, encode it, copy it out, paste it. Page loads, it looks perfectly the way it did, right? Now I can put in, let's say, security tube, and the password could be difficult to guess. Click on sign in, and there you go. If you notice, difficult to guess has been popped up. Now, as you can well imagine, we could have actually sent this to a third-party server, just like we've done in the previous examples. And you can clearly see how we can pretty much now do anything we like on this page because we can inject any JavaScript, right? So this should serve as an example that even though most of the times we just used to do an alert 1 as a POC, there is a ton of things which we can do alongside. So that's all I had in mind for this video. If you're enjoying your time here at Pentester Academy, then we would really appreciate if you can recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.